Hi, I'm Tracy, and today we'll be doing math facts. Yay! Sort of like fun facts, but with math. And they could be fun. Alright, some basic facts we are going to be doing. What is a natural number? Well, what a natural number is, let me give you an example, 23, 4, 17, 2, those are all natural numbers, which means they are the simplest of numbers because they're numbers you'd count for actual things, like candies in a jar or how many stuffed animals you have, so they're natural, okay? Next, we have whole numbers. What a whole number is 0, 1, 2, 27, 1,326, all whole numbers. They are like natural numbers, except they add the number 0 to their list. Okay. Next we have integers. Integers are what's found on a timeline. And examples of integers are negative 26, 0, 487. We added negative numbers and zeros to our natural numbers to make it an integer. Alright, next we have rational numbers. What is a rational number, you ask? Well, 2/5 is a rational number. Negative 0.7 is a rational number. And 4 is even a rational number because it can be 4 over 1, and it ends. Rational is another word for reasonable number, meaning it doesn't go on, and it can stop. And we also have the opposite of rational numbers, which is irrational. Irrational numbers are like pi, which is 3.1415, on and on and on and on, it never end. The square root of 2, the square root of 11, the square root of 7. It all goes on and on and on and doesn't have an end. They're also called outlawed numbers, meaning they're just irrational and they're not strict. We have 2 more fun facts. We have real numbers. Real numbers consist of all rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, and irrational numbers. So, some examples of real numbers. We have pi, square root of 5, 4 to the power 7, negative 0.00067. These are all real numbers. And lastly, we have the difference between 0 divided by a number and a number divided by 0. Okay? Let me erase this real fast. So you may ask yourself, hey Tracy, is there a difference between 0 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 0? Because in multiplication, 3 times 0 is 0, and 0 times 3 equals 0. Well, hate to break it to you, but there's a huge difference, okay? Huge. When I mean huge, I mean colossal. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. But 3 divided by 0 equals undefined. And what an undefined number is, or no answer, and it's just like, it's really a brain teaser. I don't know why they do this to people, but it's undefined, because fractions like 8 over 0, 0 can never be the denominator, so it can only be in the numerator, and that's why it's undefined. Some teachers like you to write no answer on your test or your homework. You can use undefined, no answer, either one works, but just remember, 0 can never, ever be in the denominator, because it will be undefined. But it's okay to be in the numerator, as you see here. And that's all today with Math Facts with Tracy.